Hey there, phenomenal student. I'm so glad you're taking the time to do a little video practice and just give yourself that little extra practice at home. Well done there. This is Español 3, Unidad 3, Viajar en avión. We're practicing describing about plane traveling. You should know these words. You should be studying for 15 minutes a night. If you need to, it's probably time to pause this video. Go ahead and study. There are tons of Quizlet sets. You can do memory match 3 times each, flashcards. Just study them. Alrighty? Make sure you take notes as we go along. There have been studies that prove that there is a hand-to-brain connection. This is going to help you with memorizing your vocabulary, spelling and grammar practice. So handwrite or make a copy of this and add to it as we go along. In class, we're going to be doing some think, pair, share. So think, what are the directions? What am I supposed to do? How can I figure it out? Make sure you use your vocabulary list. Make sure you use your classmates. I'm the last resort. It's not that I'm important, but I want you to learn to think for yourself. Then we're going to do some pair work. We're going to have your elbow partner read your answers, or you can read your answers out loud to your partner. Then we're going to share. Yep, I'm going to shuffle those cards, and I'm going to call on students around the classroom. Think, pair, share. So first, I want you to practice filling in the space here. Llena el espacio. You've got a word bank. Aduanera, equipaje de vuelo, mostrador, tarjeta de embarque. La inspecciona mis maletas en la aduana. 2. Hay que mostrar mi antes de abordar el avión. Número 3. El auxiliar de vuelo me ayuda con. Número 4. Voy para facturar el equipaje. I want you to pause this and I want you to give it a try on your own. Welcome back. So aduana goes here. Tarjeta de embarque goes here. Equipaje de vuelo goes here. Mostrador goes here. So, ¿qué prefieres? ¿Prefieres un vuelo sencillo o de ida o vuelta? I think that should say de ida y vuelta. ¿Prefieres un vuelo sencillo o de ida y vuelta? ¿Prefieres un vuelo directo o un vuelo con escala? I'm stuttering today. So if I can stutter while I'm making a lesson practice, it's okay if you stutter. We're learning a language, right? ¿Prefieres un vuelo directo o un vuelo con escala? ¿Prefieres viajar por primera clase o clase turista? So I want you to take a moment. I want you to try and write down some answers. You pause and then come back and then you can see my answers. Alrighty, so here you go. You saw me working. Hopefully you were doing your own answers. So I want you to practice asking me now. Ask me, ¿prefieres un vuelo sencillo o de ida y vuelta? Depende, si muevo, yo prefiero un vuelo sencillo. Si visito a un amigo o a familia, yo prefiero un vuelo de ida y vuelta. Yo quiero regresar a casa. Número 2, pregúntame, ask me, ¿prefieres un vuelo directo o un vuelo con escala? Pregúntame. Mm, Yo prefiero un vuelo directo. No me gusta el estrés de cambiar. Tengo miedo de que pierdan mis maletas. Now, pregúntame número 3. ¿Prefieres viajar por primera clase o clase turista? Yo prefiero primera clase porque no tengo el dinero. Bueno, I should say, prefiero primera clase, pero no tengo el dinero, not porque. So if I can make a mistake while I'm practicing, then you can make a mistake. All right, finally, escribe frases originales. Es necesario ser creativo y original. So, blah, 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 es una línea aérea. El aeropuerto en Newport News se llama un boleto procedente de Newport News con destino a Madrid cuesta. Prefiero un vuelo. La salida es a las. La llegada es a las. So I want you to go ahead and pause and put in some things that you think you might use. Okay, so welcome back. Southwest es una línea aérea. Did you come up with something different? El aeropuerto Newport News se llama Patrick Henry. I went ahead and looked up something. Un boleto procedente de Newport News con destino a Madrid cuesta $1,155. And yes, do notice that they have a period where we have a comma and they have a comma where we have a period. Prefiero un vuelo directo y de ida y vuelta. And so I'm just going to make up something here. La salida es a las 3 de la tarde. And I will say el 30 de abril. La llegada es a las 8 de la noche. El 15 de mayo. I'll pretend I'm going to Spain. So you come up with your own answers, right? You study, you practice. So glad to see you here today. Well, I know I'm not really seeing you, but I'm so glad that you are here giving this a practice. I love you. Make good choices. Come back to me next class.